Getting started with Clrxplore, creating your customer account. Go to Clrxplore's website. Open your browser and visit Clrxplore.com. Register your account. On the homepage, click on the Login Register button. You'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in your details. The registration process is simple. Enter your email address. Create a strong password that you'll remember. Select I am a customer to indicate that you are registering as a buyer. Stay informed. Check the box to sign me up for the newsletter if you'd like to receive updates, special offers, and discounts. Privacy policy. Before proceeding, be sure to read our privacy policy to understand how your information will be handled. Complete your registration. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and read the policy, click on Register. You will then be directed to your account page, confirming that you've successfully created your account and are now logged in. That's it. You're all set up to start shopping and exploring the products on Clrxplore. Enjoy your experience and don't forget to check out the latest updates in your email.